Hi, welcome to Tilt to Kilt Bolingbrook. Thanks for coming to the car show. Enjoy the video.
Okay, and then I'm going to have you smile for this one.
Okay, we're giving away this car for free. You just have to enter your name into a raffle. Happy Halloween!
Look at that, look at that. Butterfly's going to fly away. Hold on to her.
John Lennon.
So what do you all girls think of the Best of Show trophy?
Hi, my name is Juan. I'm the owner of a 2006 Acura TL. Start off, I've got 19-inch three-piece locksmith Gerades from threepiece.us. I'm lowered on BC Racing coilovers with Swift springs, so it rides a little stiffer. Moving on to the interior, got red diamond stitch floor mats, red diamond stitch VIP tray tables. The tables were made by a buddy in Oklahoma. Sent them out to me. I've done a tablet radio.
Like a knife?
It's a katana shift knob. Short. I had a longer one. It got in the way of the TV, so I swapped it out.
Sure, sure.
I've got Junction Produce headrests.
That is so cool.
All the way around.
You must be in the catering business with the food segment, right?
Well, it's I'm basing it off the whole VIP inspired out of Japan.
Okay.
The low luxury look.
Sure.
I've also painted my roof.
Oh, did you? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It's a candy flake in the sun. It gives off the holographic look.
That is cool.
Added on a rear roof spoiler on the window.
Right. And on the back, we're looking at. Is there a car club?
No, a car club is in the front.
Okay.
Club is Prestige Alliance.
Okay. And we're looking at some exhaust here. What's going on here?
I got a blast pipes, 2.5 inch. The rear splats on each side.
That is so cool.
I've had these. These are OEM tail lights, but I had them opened up and had the chrome blacked out and carbon fiber added.
Uh-huh. There you go. And then you have this bottom.
Yeah, rear splats.
Right. That is nice. That is nice. And you got a lot of camber. Do you see that?
Yeah.
I mean, is that because it's lower?
Yes. Yeah.
That's amazing to see that.
Yeah, over the winter it's gonna get everything dialed in. I have side splitters to match the rear pieces. I haven't gotten those on yet.
Sure.
So yeah, basically this is about it.
This company, talk about them.
SPC Performance, they have adjustable arms. So they have my camber arms, my toe arms, and my front upper control arms from them as well.
Have you won any, have you been to car shows and have you won any awards?
Yeah, this year I've taken home 2 trophies.
There you go, cool.
And the wrap. I did this myself.
Oh, did you really?
Yes. It was pain in the ass, yes. It was, but I'm happy with it. I love the color.
So did you save a lot of money doing it?
Yes, I did. Wraps, I've gotten quoted $2 to $3 grand. For the roller wrap, I paid about $700 and I did it myself.
Wow.
So the wrap's not perfect, but I did it.
Sure.
90% of the stuff on this car, I did it myself. So.
Why didn't you show the engine? We were just talking about it too. You didn't know you were going to be famous today, right?
Hey. You want to get me opening it, or?
Yeah, sure. All right, so what are we looking at here?
It's a little dirty right now. Stock 3.2. So far I've added the intake. I've got a RV6 strut bar coming in. And over winter, I'm just gonna clean it up. I have all the engine bay plastics. I'm gonna get color match to the wrap.
There you go.
So just basically clean it up a little bit.
Anything special with your lights or tail lights?
Not yet.
Nothing?
Yeah,
Okay, there you go.
that's in the plans for over the winter as well.
And then tell the people about getting the car lowered. Is it a big project, or who do you go to?
I did that myself.
Oh, did you?
They're just coilovers, adjustable suspension. It's not the hardest thing in the world, especially on a Honda. But yeah, it just gives you the adjustability. So I'm static at this point. If I want to raise the car, I just have to jack it up, you know, adjust it from there.
Right.
But yeah, it rides great. Love it. I've owned the car about 4 years.
There you go. There you
So.
go. And that's the car club right there.
Yep, Prestige Alliance.
And then, any shout outs to anyone special? Anyone?
Just my car club.
There you go. There
Yep.
you go. And then do you let anyone else drive this car?
No. I've owned it 4 years. Nobody has driven it but me.
Okay. Say, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Ava from Kilt Bolingbrook. Thanks for coming to our car show. Hope you enjoy the video.